Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to fix Safari This connection is not private error on iPhone. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your settings. In this option, we're about to clear the caches of Safari. After you tap open settings, you'll be on the settings page and you'll have to scroll down until you find Safari. After you find it, tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll be loaded to a page something like this and you'll have to scroll down until you find clear history and website data. Tap on it. After you tap on it, a menu like this will pop up and you'll have to tap on clear history and data. After that, a menu like this will pop up and you'll have to tap on close tabs if you want to close all the tabs and keep tabs if you want to keep it. After you select one, we're done with clearing the caches of Safari. For the second option, go back to your settings page, scroll down or up until you find VPN. After you find it, if the button is toggled on, that means your VPN is on. You'll have to turn off the VPN button. After you're done with that, we'll move to the third option in which we're going to tap on General. Scroll down or up until you find Generals. After you find General, tap on it. After that, you'll be on your general settings page. Then you can see date and time in the first option of the third sector in general. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see set automatically is toggled on. You'll have to toggle on that option if it is off. After toggling on that option, your date and time will also be corrected. So finally, go back to your home screen of your iPhone, then go to your Safari and make sure you've typed down the correct URL address. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.